If you're like me who's using the Mi Box or any other Android TV for a long time, chances are you are getting bored on how your home screen looks. The default Android TV launcher does not give you any options to set wallpapers or change the layout of your home screen. Fortunately, there are many third-party launchers out there. I've tested several of them like the ATV launcher, which looks good, but the free version is a bug when you load the widget and there's a lot of locked functions. To unlock those functions, you'll need to buy the Pro version. I also tried the Top TV launcher, which looks really good, but the free version only gives you 5 days of trial. So after 5 days, it's gone. Just like ATV, if you want to maximize the Top TV functionalities, you'll need to buy it. I tried many other free launchers, like the Loose for example, but it looks almost the same as the default launcher and does not have an option to set the background or wallpaper. Basically, all the free launchers I tested are good but comes up short on functionalities that I'm looking for. Fortunately, I stumbled upon Ugoos TV Launcher. For some reason, Ugoos TV Launcher does not appear on my Mi Box Play Store, but it does appear on other Android TV devices like the MXQ Pro for example. So if you can find Ugoos on your Play Store, just install it. Otherwise, we need to download it. The download link can be found in the video description below. It doesn't matter where you download it, it can be from your cell phone or PC or from the Android TV box itself. You just need to unzip the file to extract the APK file which your device needs to see and install. In my case, I downloaded it and extracted the APK file from my phone, so I need to transfer the APK file from my phone to a USB flash drive. Now I'm plugging in my USB flash drive to my Android TV so that my Android TV box can see the Ugoos TV Launcher APK file from the flash drive and be able to install it. From the Android device, you'll now need to open the File Explorer. I'm using ES File Explorer, but any other File Explorer app will do. Just open the USB flash drive, go to the location of the Ugoos TV Launcher APK file that we copied, open it, then install. Select Install again, wait for it to finish installing, then select Done. Let's exit the File Explorer app. Now let's go to the settings, then apps, and let's open Ugoos Launcher. Just select allow on any access request. Here we go, we are now on the Ugoos Launcher. Just press up or down from the remote to navigate the menu. The top menu is all apps, basically the list of all applications excluding the system apps. To modify the menu, just do a long press on the OK button of the remote. From here, we can add, edit, or delete a category. Let's try deleting one. Let's delete the IPTV category. Click yes. There you go. The IPTV group has been deleted. Now let's try to edit a category. Editing here is basically just renaming a category. I hope in the future they add an option to change the icon or something. Now let's try to add a new group or category. You'll need to type in the name. Let's name it as Video 2. Okay, so now we have a new group at the bottom. Let's try to move it up. Just select the category app option and you'll see the category goes up from the background. See, it's now on the second topmost position. Now let me show you the options. For the layout settings, you can set how many icons you want to show for a row and a column. You can also customize how far the spaces in between the icons are. I like it to be 4x5 with the biggest border of 6 in between the icons. For the basic settings, you can select between 12 or 24-hour time format as well as to show the weather or not. There's also an option for the screensaver timeout here, but unfortunately it says that it's not supported. For the background, Ugoos will automatically browse for any images within your internal storage. Take note that it only scans the internal storage and does not include any other detachable drives like the USB flash drive or external hard disk. So you should copy any wallpapers that you like into the external storage of the device for it to see. I have several images here. Just select any image that you like and wait for 2 to 3 seconds for it to load. Lastly, we have the weather options where you can select a location, The default is London for some reason. Let me change that to the gig, for example. You can also change the temperature unit. Let's change that to degrees Celsius. And lastly, you can select the refresh time of the weather between 30 minutes, 1 or 2 hours. I'll set that to 30. Let me change the background one more time here to select this lake and car image. Now let's go to the all apps category. The icon should now be a lot smaller compared to earlier since we set it to 4x5 row and column. There you go. I like this look better. You can also see the 12-hour format time and the weather information with degrees Celsius above. You also have an option here to rearrange all the icons. Let's move the YouTube icon to the top. Just select the icon, then long press on the OK button from the remote, then select Move. Then press up, down, left, or right to move the icon. In this case, I'll choose up. See, the YouTube icon is now on top. Alright, I hope this helps. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, please consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Zuj for watching. Nuvayer.